Hey guys, it's Adam. In today's video, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about Dollywood season passes and ticket options for the 2025 season. In today's video, I will cover all single and multi-day ticket options for little ones, group tickets, military discounts, and ticket options if you are staying at Dollywood's Dreammore Resort or Dollywood's Heartsong Lodge Resort. I will also be covering additional add-ons and services offered at the park. First up, single day tickets. If you purchase single day tickets in 2024, you will notice that ticket prices did not increase for the 2025 season. One-day tickets are $92 plus tax. Two-day tickets are $122 plus tax. And three-day tickets are $132 plus tax. Also, ticket prices for children 4 to 9 and seniors remain the same from last season and will each be $10 less than regular ticket prices. Next is Dollywood's Splash Country Water Park. One-day tickets are $54.95 plus tax. Two-day tickets are $84.95 plus tax. And three-day tickets are $94.95 plus tax. Ticket prices for children 4 to 9 and seniors will each be $10 less than regular ticket prices. You may also purchase tickets for both parks together. A one-day ticket to visit both Dollywood and Dollywood's Splash Country is $102 plus tax. A two-day ticket is $132 plus tax, and a three-day ticket is $142 plus tax. Remember, when purchasing multi-day tickets, these visits can be spread out over a 5-day period. Now let's get into season passes. The Gold Season Pass is $244 plus tax, a $10 increase from last season. With the Gold Pass, you will receive complimentary parking, access to Golden Hour, more on that later in the video, $10 discounts on day tickets purchased for your family and friends, 15% off select dining and shopping. Just so you know, I have had a Gold Pass in previous years and have never encountered a situation where I purchased food or an item and could not use the discount. I know there are third-party food trucks and merchandise booths in the park throughout the season, so this might be a situation where you would not be able to use the discount. But anything purchased from Dollywood itself should qualify for the discount. Also, with the Gold Pass, you will receive 2 Bring a Friend tickets to be used anytime during the season. These Bring a Friend tickets do not have blackout dates. Silver Passes are $169 plus tax, a $5 increase from last season. With the Silver Pass, there are blackout dates, so be sure to check the Dollywood website for those dates as the information becomes available. With the Silver Pass, you will receive 2 Bring a Friend tickets. Blackout dates will also apply to Bring a Friend tickets, so check Dollywood's website for these dates as they become available as well. The other benefit of the Silver Pass is a $5 discount on day tickets. New this season is the Volunteer Summer Pass. This pass will cost $129 and will be available to all residents of East Tennessee and will allow the pass holder to visit the park anytime beginning April 21st through September 11th. This pass will not have any additional benefits, but I could see this being a great option for certain situations. Think families that have at least one Gold Pass to take advantage of free parking and need to add a pass for children or other family or friends riding into the park together. Just so you know, when purchasing a season pass, you have the choice of paying in full or selecting a payment plan. More information about the payment plan can be found on Dollywood's website. 2 park season passes will give you access to both Dollywood and Dollywood Splash Country, Dollywood's water park. Like regular season passes, you may choose to purchase a gold, silver, or a volunteer pass. Gold passes are $299 plus tax. Silver passes are $224 plus tax, and the volunteer pass is $184 plus tax. As you will see on the screen, all additional benefits seem to be the same as benefits you will receive with regular season passes. The only difference here is really having access to both parks. When purchasing a 2-park season pass, you have the choice of paying in full or selecting a payment plan. More information about the payment plan can be found on Dollywood's website. Here is a comparison of all the benefits included with each season pass. One other pass I want to mention is the Dollywood Diamond Pass. While not currently offered, as it is typically only available during early season pass renewal, usually in October through around the first week of January, the Diamond Pass gives you all the perks of the Gold Pass, plus an additional 2 Bring a Friend tickets, so 4 total, 20% off merchandise and dining at select locations, and usually an additional perk like the all-season beverage tumbler that was offered for the upcoming 2025 season. Oh, and maybe the best perk of all, 1 free loaf of cinnamon bread each month that Dollywood is operating. While it is too late to purchase this pass for 2025, keep this in mind for next year if this might be for you. If you are staying at one of Dollywood's 2 resorts, Dreammore Resort and Spa or Heartsong Lodge and Resort, you may be able to purchase a stay and play package. Guests staying 2 or 3 nights can bundle resort and park tickets together. Additional benefits include transportation from the resort to the parks, complimentary preferred parking if you wish to drive from the resort to the park yourself, and a complimentary Timesaver Pass, and the opportunity to take advantage of Golden Hour. More on Timesaver and Golden Hour later in this video. See the Dollywood website for more details on purchasing a stay and play package. When you purchase a 2-park season pass, you are eligible to purchase the Water Park Dining Plan. This dining plan gives you 1 meal and 1 snack during each visit with a cost of just $65 for the entire season. This could be a great value if you plan to be at Dollywood several times this season. Returning this season is the PreK Imagination Season Pass. This pass is exclusively to be used by children born in 2020 or 2021 and will allow the child to enter Dollywood and Dollywood Splash Country for free all year long. There are no limits to the amount of times this pass can be used as long as the person with the child has a valid admission. This is a great benefit and is part of what makes Dollywood such a special park. Dollywood is proud to offer discounted season passes to those who serve in the military. Discounted Gold Passes are $216.40 plus tax, and discounted Silver Passes are $141.41 plus tax. If you purchase this pass, you will use an ID.me link on the Dollywood website to confirm your eligibility prior to completing your purchase. Thank you to those who serve. Dollywood offers many other discounts for larger groups visiting the parks. Corporate groups of 100 or more, tour and travel groups, general groups of 15 or more, and school groups of 15 or more may qualify for discounted tickets. If this is for you, visit the Dollywood website or call the park for more information. Okay, let's talk about Timesaver. If you have visited a Disney park or many other theme parks, you may be familiar with options to pay for access to quicker ride lines, bypassing regular standby lines. Dollywood also offers this in the form of their Timesaver Passes. The information you see here was for the 2024 season, as 2025 information has not been released, but for 2024, there were 3 different Timesaver options, and I do not expect any changes for the 2025 season unless there is a small price increase, because you know, things always get more expensive. The first option is the 1-day Timesaver, which gives you access to the Timesaver line for any 5 eligible attractions. Please note that as of last year, this Timesaver could only be used for Dragon Flyer and Fire Chaser Express once and could not be used for Lightning Rod or Big Bear Mountain. The second option is a 1-day Timesaver Plus. This option gives you unlimited entries to eligible attractions all day long. The exception here is 1 use for Fire Chaser, 1 use for Lightning Rod, and still does not give you access to Big Bear Mountain. The last Timesaver option is Timesaver Premium. This option gives you unlimited entries to eligible attractions all day long. The only restriction for Premium Timesaver is you may only use it one time to ride Big Bear Mountain. Remember, this information is for 2024, and while I do not expect any changes for the upcoming 2025 season, changes are possible. Earlier, I had mentioned Golden Hour. Gold and Diamond Pass holders, as well as those staying at a Dollywood resort, can utilize the Timesaver line during the first hour of each operating day at the park. Another great service offered at Dollywood are electric convenience vehicles, or ECVs. These are available to rent at the park. You may rent these online for each day you will be at the park, and payment is required in advance. You may also rent an ECV when you arrive at the park, but availability is not guaranteed, so reserving online is preferred. There are photo opportunities at both Dollywood and Dollywood Splash Country. Dollywood offers Photo Memory Pass. This can be purchased for one day at around $50 or for the entire season for around $90. Photo opportunities include photo spots with Dollywood photographers throughout the park, as well as on ride photos at select rides. I personally always purchase the all-season photo pass and enjoy having all the photos and think it is a great value. Also, just so you know, if you're going to Dollywood with a large group, as long as one person in your group has a photo pass, everyone in your group can be in the photo without the need to purchase an additional photo pass. Let's talk about parking. At Dollywood, parking is $25 per car per visit for standard size vehicles and will cost more depending on the size of your vehicle. Check with Dollywood for additional pricing if you need this ahead of time. I do want to mention that you can park at Patriot Park in Pigeon Forge, which is about 5 to 10 minutes away from the park, and take their shuttle to and from the park. The shuttle costs less than $5 per person each day. As previously mentioned, purchasing a season pass gives you free parking for every visit for the entire season. Once you park, there are two ways to enter the park. Dollywood offers complimentary trams from each of their parking lots to take you closer to the main entrance. Once you exit the tram, you will have about a 5-minute walk or less to the main gate. You can also walk from each of the parking lots to the main gate via a walking path. The length of time to walk from the parking lot to the main entrance will vary depending on which lot you park in. For example, lots A and B are a 5 to 10 minute walk. Lot C is about a 15-minute walk, and D will take you about 20 minutes to walk to the main entrance. There is a parking lot E, but the park is only accessible using the tram and is also the primary lot for Dollywood Splash Country. Dollywood also offers accommodations for your pets. Doggywood is available for you and will take care of your pets. This is the information from Dollywood about this service from the 2024 season, as 2025 information has not been made available at this time. If this is something you are interested in, once they start booking for 2025, it is recommended that you book ahead of time online, as same-day availability is not guaranteed. And there you have it, our ultimate guide to Dollywood's season passes, ticket options, services, and add-ons for the 2025 season. If you guys found this video helpful, please hit the like button. I would really appreciate it. Also, if you want to see our future videos, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. As always, thank you all for watching. Have a blessed day, and we'll see you in the next video.